Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this month's Boxycharm unboxing video. Here we have the box, and when you open it you get a card as usual, and the theme this month is Afterglow. The first product we have is a product by Sol de Janeiro. It is the Coco Cabana cream. I'm actually very excited to try this product because we've actually received in the past the Bum Bum cream by the same brand, this one right here. So I'm very excited to try this one out and see if I'm gonna like it as much as the other one. Okay, so this cream is supposed to transform dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, and most luxurious version of itself. Its oil and water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar, nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. And this product retails for $20. So let's see. And because I have no idea what in water oil. Anyway, okay. It smells like coconut for sure, and I'm not mad at it. I actually love it. I love coconut. I love eating coconut stuff. I like the smell of coconut, and yeah. This is what it looks like, and it kind of looks like a gel. I'm gonna put it on my elbows because that's how I'm gonna know if it's good or not, because my elbows are usually pretty dry. I don't know what product to compare it to, but I can definitely feel the oil, and I know some people don't like that feeling, but I don't mind it sometimes. I will definitely keep using that. The next product we have is this Touch and Soul primer. It's called the No Problem primer. Get it? No problem. Okay. Moving on. It says that it creates a seamless canvas for your foundation. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. This is what the product looks like. Alright, let's get closer and let's try it on the face. One pump, it's a lot of product, and maybe that's a lot for my face, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put it on most of my face. This primer smells pretty good too. Okay, so it feels, like it says on the description, it feels pretty silky and like velvet, but when I look closer, I don't see any difference when it comes to my pores or anything, but let's see when we apply the foundation if I see any difference. I'm just gonna go with this foundation, the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I feel like it did feel in my pores a little bit, but other than that, I honestly don't see that much of a difference compared to like other primers that I use that do the same thing. And this primer retails for $18. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of concealer just so I can go ahead and test out the rest of the product. So I'm not gonna set my face or anything. I will literally wash off this makeup as soon as I'm done filming. I just wanted to apply a base because the next product we have is a bronzer. It is a Pretty Vulgar Bronze B bronzer in the shade 120 Sun Kiss Snitch. This is what the packaging looks like. It's literally the same packaging as the blush that we've got a while ago. Here, same packaging. So a little bit about the product. It says that it's vegan. It's also a matte bronzer, and it's supposed to give your skin a natural, radiant looking finish. And this product retails for $32. So let's see. It seems to blend out pretty well, and I like the shade. think it looks nice on the skin. It blends pretty well, and I like the matte finish that it has. And I think this is a nice shade. I like it. The next product we have is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color Pencil Eyeshadow, and it's by the brand Nude Sticks. This is what it looks like, and it is in the shade Copper Foil. Oh wait, how do you... So I have no idea how you get the product out, because it's not, like, it doesn't look like you can sharpen this, but it doesn't do anything. Interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. Just gonna apply it like so. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my finger. Let me see if I can build it up a little bit. And blend. I really like this color. I love colors like this and just like shimmers like this as a one eyeshadow look kind of thing. I'm gonna do the other eye. This is what it looks like. This eyeshadow pencil is supposed to be long wearing and all day waterproof wear. And this retails for $24. I do like the color, I like how it applies. It's super easy to blend out. I really like that in a product, how easy it can be to use. Like anyone can use this and get a really cute look without having to use many eyeshadows. The last product we have is a mascara, and it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is actually one of my probably like top 3 favorite mascaras of all time. I know this mascara, it's either people love it or some people just really don't like it. I guess it depends on your like personal taste when it comes to your eyelashes and your mascara, but I love it. It's really dark, really intense, like you can build it up. Okay, I'm gonna show you what the one looks like. And I'm just going to apply it. Do you see that? One, and look at the difference. Like, this is amazing. Look at this. One coat of mascara. I almost forgot how much I love this mascara because I've been meaning to buy it for a long time, but I just never got around it because I kept getting other mascaras. And anyway, okay, so those are all the products we have this month. I'm wearing pretty much all of them except for the foundation and the concealer. I wanted to keep the look mostly like focus on the products that were on the box. So we have the bronzer, the primer, which you can't really see, and we have the eyeshadow and the mascara. I actually really like this look, just the gold shimmer and the really dark mascara. And the primer, I'm gonna keep using it and try with different foundations, see if it like actually helps the foundation last longer throughout the day. But I'm gonna keep trying this. I'm gonna keep trying the cream, and obviously I will be using the bronzer. But hands down, these are my 2 favorite products, which this one I already knew. And the eyeshadow, I love it. I love how simple it is to use, but how pretty it looks. However, I'm gonna need to figure out how to get the product out because I have no idea. Like, are you supposed to sharpen this, and how? I don't like the fact that I actually love this product and it's one of my favorite in the box, but I can't figure out how to get all of the product out. That's very frustrating. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And I'll see you guys next time.